What's up mga Bigaon? I am James.
Ako si Mario Dupong.
And we are the Yanong Lumad! Welcome to our another video.
But before that, don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
And comment below.
Yes, for more fun and for more Vega!
Ang among vlog is all about spelling.
Spelling bee with a twist.
Where is it?
Among videographer, which is si CU Corazon,
Baliling.
we'll give a word, tapos
Amoy
amoy
spell out.
Yes, spell out. Then if wrong,
Where's the contracts?
bagbagan aning tada. Yan.
Magic battle.
Magic.
Og marong mi duha, bagbagan mi duha. Magbinagbagay mi kada isa.
Are you ready?
So are you ready?
Are you ready mga bigaon?
Kung bigaon ka, say you ready.
Ready.
Round 1.
Round 1.
Wah!
Okay, number 1. Ambrosia. Ambrosia.
Ikaw ulit.
Ambrosia. A-M-B-R-O-S-Y-A. Ambrosia.
Wrong. Wrong.
Tumbaan na ka.
Ambrosia. A-M-B-R-U-S-H-A.
Wrong.
The correct spelling.
Ang correct spelling is A-M-B-R-O-S-I-A. Ambrosia.
Hapit na ko.
Ako'y hapit,
Right.
di ba?
A-M-B-R-O-S-I.
Y-A ang imong gila.
Bitaw.
Pero S-I-A. Nawar na. Paladyo ra nimo. Oh,
bagbag.
dawat na.
Hmm.
Pero hindi may tatay. Sugod pa ma.
Ay, di nyo ko maghinay-hinay. Uy, ginawa na sugod pa lang. Biran na.
Ayaw.
Hinahinay na kay round 1 pa man.
Okay, number 2.
Round 2.
Sa tuwid ang brush siya.
Ano ang brush siya? Ang brut ni mo eh. Ang brut siya.
Number 2 is puree.
Puree. P-U-R-R-A-Y. Puree.
Wrong.
Hooray! Ha! Hooray! P-A-R-R-A-Y.
Wrong. It's puree. It's P-U-R-E-E. Puree.
Wow.
Wow. Puree.
What do you mean by
It's
puree?
pure naman na. No.
Puree gani.
Gani nga. Pure naman to, oy. Oy. Oy.
Puree gani. Tayo ka. Round 3.
Round 3.
3. Number 3 is eukaryotic.
Jesus.
Eukaryotic. E-U-K-R-A-R.
Wrong na. Can you repeat the word, please?
Eukaryotic.
Can you use it in a song?
Oy, spell it out na.
Eukaryotic.
Kaya ba tayo no?
Eukaryotic. E-U-K... Asin. C-K?
Ako yung spelling. E-U-K-A-R-I-O-T-I-C. Eukaryotic.
No, it's E-U-C-A-R-Y-O-T-I-C.
C. Sama ka. Ako may una good. Saday ka. Limbungan ka na iba niyang buhok ba rin niya ma-feel? Feel. Feel. Ego.
Salamat ka. Gamay ko ka.
Okay,
Number 4. Power?
Number 4.
Number 4 is... It's easy. It's plum.
Huh?
Plum.
The flam?
Plum.
Plum. P-L-E-A-M. Plum.
Wrong.
It's so easy. P-L-A-M.
A-M.
Flame?
Plum.
P-L-E-M. Plum.
No. It's P-H-L-E-G-M. Plum.
Oh
My
my
God. Kabulok ni mo, oy.
bulok ka. Bulok word siya. Magdadyaw ka, magdadyaw ka.
Ay. Bukin niya.
Okay, number 5. It's easy. It's melancholic.
Melancholic. Melancholic.
Correct.
Ah! Oh my God! Uy, dili na!
Wala by chance.
Uy, dili! Kailangan niya. Ako may una. Uy, ako una.
May chance. Another steal.
Hindi, ako may una.
Pwede
ba mag-roll?
Unfair, you know. Oh my God, all
Like
my
how-
life. Melancholic. Melancholic.
Melancholic.
Oh my God. Is that correct?
One ako.
One ako go.
Nilimbungan si Maria.
O, di ka na bang magganang kababuhan.
Ay na,
Proceed to number 6. Hey!
Doppelganger.
DLPPLEGANGER. Doppelganger.
Correct. Oh.
Pagzo na ta siya guys, pero ipanghatag kita kay harabi ng mga
Oh my God.
give love on Christmas Day.
Okay, number 7. Infectiousness.
Ako.
Sige.
INPE. Infectiousness. Infectiousness.
Infectiousness.
Infectiousness.
Ako,
Spell
still.
infectiousness.
INFECTIOUSNESS. Infectiousness.
Correct. Incorrect.
3.
Correct. Incorrect.
3.
Correct. Incorrect.
3. 3.
Manasol.
Okay, number 8. Alleviative.
Elevative.
Alleviative.
Tim.
I.
Wrong na tayo.
Wrong?
Alleviative.
Elevative.
Alleviative.
Nay, bulok ka.
Elevated.
Ika elevate auto.
Ay na yung magilao.
Bakit ito elevate? Nay.
Elevated.
You're fired, you know?
Ako. ELEVIATED. Elevated.
Wrong.
Tribute.
It's ALLEVIATIVE. It's alleviative.
Magbagan kayo. Buot lang pronounce.
L, you got L.
Huli ka! Tama po na, ba't magtarong ka po? Aw.
Unsa na
Tama
ikaw?
po na, sunod na kaw. Number
Okay,
9.
Number 9. Dysmenorrhea.
Ha? Hala ka, Jesus Christ.
DISME. Ha?
Wrong.
Dysmenorrhea mo.
Dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea.
Check.
My God, may DI, this life? Ito ang kayong kabulok. Ay, eskwila kasi mo ba?
Ay, salamat.
Uy, kinadayan ako sa akong emotion.
Okay.
Number
10.
10.
Number 10 is siege or siege.
S-E.
Wrong.
SIEGE. Siege.
Correct.
Siege. You can't even you can't spell that
Ang
word.
dili mo cooperate.
Okay.
Sting yawa mo
11.
na ini.
Oh, 11.
Last 5.
Sige.
It's 5, no?
Last 5. 11. Mississippi.
Mississippi. MISSIPPISSI.
Wrong.
Mississippi. Mipish.
MISSISSIPPI. Mississippi.
Correct.
Mississippi. You don't even know how to spell that one. Uy, wala yung magbagay Maria Dupong ay.
Last 4.
Okay, last 4. It's number 12. Number 12 is camouflage.
CAMOUFLAGE.
Wrong.
Camouflage.
Pa.
Wrong.
Camouflage. Camouflage.
Correct.
Oh, guni kipis ko ilalagay ka. Mayabas ra ka, mayabas ra ka. Magtarong siguro ka sunod. Okay, last to.
Okay. Number 13. Vogue.
Ako na. VAGUE.
Wrong.
Vogue ang ginaw. V-O-G-U-E. Vogue, di ba? Ka-Vogue.
Mo, ingat kay Vag.
Vogue gani.
Ngay gamay ra kang kao.
Gusto naman ako yung
Ang
video.
isa katong V-A-G-E. Vague.
Gina.
Saray ka.
Pala
Doon
doon
rin
kamay
ako
sa
video, uy.
kamay sa puso.
Okay, number 14. Patriarch.
Oh, ikaw.
P-A-T-R-A-R-C-H. Patriarch.
Can you repeat the word, please?
Patriarch.
Patriark. Patriarch.
Wrong.
C.
P-A-T-R-A-R-C-H.
R-I-A-C-K.
Patriarch. Patriarch. Patriarch.
Chelsea.
Patriarch.
O, diba? Check ko.
P-A-T-I-R-I-A-R-C-H.
Natubli akong R kayo.
Arch.
Oh, patriarch.
Okay, proceed. Last
Okay,
one.
last one.
Dapat 20.
Last one is Vivify.
Ha? Baby fat? Indian na kan?
Ikaw may una.
Vivify.
Vivify.
Oh.
V-I-V-I-F-Y. Vivify. Vivify! Vivify!
Teka, hindi lang correct na ibagbagan na po outro.
Iyahang correct.
Pag another pa.
Sorry, na-spell lang Vivify. It's my
Another
first time
one.
to encounter that
Another
word
five.
that I correctly
Another
spell that.
five.
I
Another
spell
five.
it correctly. Di ay.
Shut up.
Number 16. It's easy.
Easy.
Protagonist.
Ha, ha.
Okay.
Protagonist. Protagonist.
Correct.
Protagonist, di ka kabayo. Antagonist, galing opposite. Kabayos na ko kay sila.
Okay.
Igod kami.
17. Thesaurus.
Ikaw na kan.
Thesaurus. T-H-E-S-S-A-U-R-U-S.
Wrong.
Thesaurus.
Thesaurus. T-H-E-S-A-U-R-U-S.
Correct.
Bungan.
Ang bulok niyo pati thesaurus. Tapos sunod dictionary. Synonyms, antonyms.
Okay. Number 17. Jeopardy.
G-J-E-O-P-A-R-D. Geopard. Geopard.
Salamat ka. Kana.
Okay. Number 18 is prejudice.
Prejudice. P-R-E-J-U-D-I-C-E.
Correct.
Prejudice. Magtarong
It's prejudice. Hoy, naglaong si Ma'am Palmi Hardy na prejudice. It's
Okay.
Prejudice.
Okay, kayo noted.
Okay.
Last one.
Last two. Yung ka.
Last two na. So,
Last two. Scallop.
di man yun na, ikaw ako.
Ako.
Pati.
S-C-A-L-L-O-P. Scallop. Nanas Greenwich. Pizza Hut. Ayon sa to.
Pati, last fix.
Last six.
Uy, tanaw ang sa video bi basi ba na naupong.
Last.
6. Last one ka na.
No.
Ilan na ka minutes ko no?
Kuha na lang.
Minutes,
Bilin.
tanawa.
13 pa. Ang nabilin is 1. 2.
Mas daghan pa og word nga na spell sa iyo.
So, 4. Sige, number 19. Spell. Okay.
B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Bukit.
Bouquet.
Bukit.
It's bouquet.
B-O-U-Q-U-E-T.
It's bouquet, not bouquet.
Bukit. Isa siya naman kung naglaong bukit.
How shallow.
Oh, shallow. Banquet.
Ano dyan?
Okay, number 20 is
20s.
Katawanan. Hilarious.
H-I-L-A-R-I-O-U-S. Hilarious. Hilarious.
Atol naman tar, nadugay.
Okay, number 21. Chromosome.
Chromosome.
Ah!
CHROMOSOMES.
Diditso na tada ka.
What?
S-E.
Spell again.
CHROMOSOME.
Correct. Okay, last one. Ni, mag-unahay kasi mo ani. Last one is characteristic. CHARACTERISTICS. Characteristics.
Wrong! Otro ha.
Characteristics.
It's
C.
characteristic.
Ah,
Characteristics.
sige na.
Yes.
CHARACTERISTICS. Characteristics.
Okay, consider.
Characteristic. You don't have a characteristic.
Good.
Ouch!
Gago ka mo.
So,
Okay, we're going.
if you have, kung gusto ninyo,
Gusto ninyo kung sa'yo ibuna sa kahoy ko dyan.
kung wala mo'y lingaw sa inyong boarding house, sa inyong balay,
Doon
para
ay
mas
mong
makabalo
mama.
mo sa mga spelling, try nyo nga duwa, oy.
Mas ma-bright yung kag
Oo, kaya exercise imong utok, natandog po imong utok. So, have fun guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell,
and comment
below. And
Don't forget to follow us on our
Twitter account. It's YanongLamad03. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.